Welcome to the fifth video in the series called Video Standards, Signals, Formats, and Interfaces. Perceived video image quality depends on the process of picture sampling in space and in time. It depends on the number of pixels per line, the number of lines in the picture, and the number of picture frames per second. And there are subtle issues such as interlacing. Today you will learn more about scanning standards. For a better understanding of the seemingly bizarre numbers you might see in the latest TV standards, remember that many of them relate to legacy systems that were standardized a long time ago in a different world. Yet looking back nearly a century, we still find quite strong similarities to today. Video and synchronization signals change their shape, format, and even names, but the concepts of sequential scanning and the alignment in space and time of the processes in the camera and the display are still valid. Scanning standards determine the number of pixels per line, the number of lines in the picture, for example 1920 by 1080 in HDTV, and the number of frames per second, also known as a frame rate, and often abbreviated to FPS. And don't forget about the interlacing. There are three different formats depending on how the image is scanned and distributed. Progressive. All video frame lines are read or displayed one after the other. It's the simplest and the best. Interlaced. All odd-numbered lines are sent during field 1, and then comes field 2, combed in between it, which is more than half of the world's videos. Progressive segmented frame, invented to let low frame rate content, basically digital cinema, work with widely available interlaced processing and recording equipment. There is a limit for normal vision acuity. Humans see two dots as one if the angle between them is less than 1 minute. This means that TV images of different definition should be viewed from different distances. By the way, if your UHD screen height is 0.8 meters, then your optimal viewing distance is 1.2 meters. And unfortunately, there's no room for a coffee table, and if you sit on a sofa with your friends, the viewing distance is at least 2.5 meters, and from this distance, your wonderful UHD screen looks the same as a regular HD TV. Scanning format names are important because any misunderstanding may lead to serious and unpleasant consequences. For example, suppose you receive from Australia a clip described as 1080i25, and of course, you decide to process it through a deinterlacer before scaling it for web distribution. But in fact, it was originated as 1080p25, and later, for obscure reasons, it was converted to progressive segmented frame because in fact it is progressive low frame rate content. Somebody forgot to add PSF at the end, and now you've got big troubles. It just looks horrible. This video was prepared for you by a team of experts. Produced and narrated by Joseph Mark, a member of SMPTE's HDR committee. Written by Dr. Victor Steinberg, co-founder and president of VideoQ, technical awards winner and author of the Video Standards book. Conceived by Roderick Snell, co-founder of Snell & Wilcox and winner of several technical Emmys and Queen's Awards. Technical consulting by Maxim Levkov, author of the Video Encoding Cookbook. This video series is brought to you by VideoQ, and you can download these slides and this video from VideoQ.com. VideoQ makes products and services for all sorts of video and audio processing and quality assurance. Based in Silicon Valley with software developers and distributors in several countries. Thank you for watching.